I'm in a lot of pain. Oh. Oh no. Good morning internet, it is 7:30 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome here in a tiny town just south of Mbeya in Tanzania. Now let me tell you a little bit about my plan of my ride through Tanzania. So I'm now right over here and basically my goal is I am heading towards Mount Kilimanjaro. All the way at the other side of Tanzania, and my plan for today was to make it till Rungwa, which is over here. There's nothing I think on this stretch, like almost no towns, there's not much. So I'm just gonna get going and just see what happens. They don't do breakfast here either, so I'm gonna have to start riding on an empty stomach. Hopefully I can manage to find some food along the way. Let's see. I think today is going to be a cold and wet ride. It's quite chilly up here because I'm kind of in the mountains. I don't know what the altitude is. Let's see how I'll get on. Okay. Oh. Just to the left here. It's not the easiest start of the day ever. Okay, I am on my way. I'm on my way. Oh, it's even 364. Okay, instead of 350. Can't see anything. In the middle of a cloud. Switch my big light on. So I'm first just ride to Mbeya and fuel up there probably. I do need to be careful with fuel because at some point there's not going to be too many fuel stations. I'm just kind of hoping that where I'm heading, that it's actually not so much in the mountains. So maybe the weather's going to be a bit better there, or at least the visibility. I believe that the first part is tarred as well, but I think at some point it will turn into dirt, and I have no idea how the condition is of that dirt road. It just depends a little bit on how wet it has been there in the last weeks, days. If I'm lucky, it's dry. Oh, the visibility is super low. Still in this cloud. Right, so I rode about 50 kilometers through thick fog, but now it's finally cleared. Well, right in front of me, I'll probably dive back into it. I'm now kind of on the outskirts of Mbeya. See, that's not too far. Oh, the sun shines in Mbeya. I'm now just kind of going around it. Oh, I already passed it almost. Wow, look at this view. Wow. So that's Mbeya. Leaving it behind me. I didn't quite realize how quickly I was climbing here. Woo. See, and then suddenly it's like gale force wind and fog. think I'm just on top of a mountain again. Anything? Hello? Slow, yeah. Don't worry about that. Can go very fast if you don't see anything. This fog is getting thicker and thicker. I literally have like 10-meter visibility. It's a little better. Maybe 20. I'm completely disorientated as well because of the fog and then this twisty road. No idea where I'm going. Wow, this is probably not what you expected of Tanzania. Although most people think, when you think of Tanzania, they think of the Serengeti. But that's just only, well, one small part of Tanzania really. The country is of course much larger than that. And either way I won't be able to go into the Serengeti because I'm on a motorcycle. And motorcycles are not allowed because of lion. And other dangerous animals, obviously. Some nice gravel in the corner. Whoop. So, because I did look into that, because first I thought, maybe I can go more west into Tanzania. Now I realize that's probably not a good idea anyway, because the rainy season is probably worse on the west side than it is more on the east of Tanzania. But still, I looked into that. Because there is one road leading straight through the Serengeti National Park. But yeah, you're not allowed on a motorbike. So then the only way to see the Serengeti is to go on a safari. And I've actually already done that. I think I already mentioned, I already traveled in Tanzania. So I've already been there, seen that. And yeah, it's really expensive in Tanzania as well, so I'm glad I did like a little safari in Zambia, which was a lot cheaper. I'm just gonna make my way towards Mount Kilimanjaro, towards the north part of Tanzania, see some things there. You know, it is cold. Oh, there's a corner. Yes, I have finally left the cloud. I can see something again. That's great. Alright, so that was the end of the paved road. So yeah, I think the last 180 kilometers is gonna be on this gravel road. If I see a place where they do some food, I'm gonna stop because I haven't eaten anything. I have finally reached some sort of town again. Why is it so busy here? There should be a petrol station somewhere here, which I need. Because the next petrol station, I don't see anything. Next petrol station is 200 km away. It's quite a big distance.
I crashed really hard. I crashed really hard. I think I hurt myself. My foot and my shoulder. I didn't even go fast, but suddenly there was a rod. I think I'm hurt. I think I'm hurt. See, I came through here. It's not even something big. And somehow my front just went and I came down really hard. It's just so stupid. Like nothing, major going on. I'm just cruising along. The road's pretty good. And because I was over here, if I would have been there, it was fine. Okay, I'm riding on the left side of the road. And I just hit that little thing. I don't know. I'm just worried about my collarbone and my foot. I think there's no way I can lift up Alaska now. Oh yeah, this hurts a lot. Should I check my foot? Oh. I think I broke my collarbone. Can that be? I hope not. I've never broken my collarbone, but oh, I'm in a lot of pain. Oh, can't even take my helmet off. No, I can't take my helmet off. I can feel it. It's broken. I'm not sure about my foot, which is also not good, but they say you feel your worst pain, right? Yeah, I can feel my bone. I don't know even if my bone is sticking out. This is not good. This is not good. I am in the middle of nowhere. I really am in the middle of nowhere. I'm not sure what to do now. Wait for somebody to get past to lift Alaska, because I don't think I can lift her with a broken collarbone. But then I don't know if I can ride even. It's really so stupid. And I'm telling you, I wasn't even going. I was going like normal speed. Look, I'll show you. It's this bit. I hit that. And then I came down there. Have I literally just broken a collarbone and a foot? I can't believe it. And it starts raining. Unbelievable. But yeah, what to do now? Okay, Garmin InReach. I need to send a message out. I probably need to get back towards Mbeya and not that way. I need to find a way to get back to Mbeya. That's a larger place with hopefully a hospital. Continuing this way, there's absolutely nothing for like forever, I think. I'm just putting my foot up. I taken my boot off, put my foot up in case it swells. I'm not sure what's wrong with my foot. My collarbone is definitely broken. I can feel it. And I'm in a lot of pain. But my foot, I'm not sure. I hope not, because I can't walk on crutches with a broken collarbone. I just hope someone will pass soon. But there's not a lot of cars on this road at all. I need a pickup to take me back to Mbeya and the bike and Alaska, but there's nobody here. Nobody. Trying to take my helmet off, but it's not so easy with one hand. It's been about half an hour, nobody's passed. I'm kind of laying here trying to keep my foot up, so hopefully my foot doesn't swell so much. I cannot move my right arm at all. This is not ideal. This is not how I planned today. This is not how I planned finishing my Africa tour. It's kind of like the end was in sight. But I think it's finished now. I hear a vehicle. Please let it be a car or a truck. Yeah, a car.